And we're live. We're live here for live stream 170. Current range on NQ. Let's have a look. $183 points. So quite a bit of volatility overnight. Actually down under the day. You can see here how the selling got bought back up on the daily chart, having selling again. Actually testing yesterday's lows on ES. Down at 865. NQ seems like it wants to go higher. RTY. Seems a little weak. We have gold in and around yesterday's highs. 55.4 is yesterday's highs. $514.50, an important level. $554 is the highs from yesterday. It's interesting that after the close, just a little bit after the close, price continued up towards that 1950 and beyond on the breakout. So beyond that 1950, all the way up to the 46. But I already had finished trading for the day. Let's go with 44. Similar scenario to what happened yesterday. Had the rally into the open. So during the overnight session, we've had a rally again into the open on gold. Seeing a continued buying here on NQ. I haven't been given a signal yet to go long, so continue to wait. Hold up a sec. I've actually got a short here on RTY. So this is a original setup. Looking for a move down to 46.4, is that right? No, down to 37.1. $50.9. So this is an original setup, so we'll leave it for now. And we'll come back and see where we are. I've got to step away from the computer for a while. Not a fan of what I'm seeing here. $50.9. Let's keep it where it is. So on this move back down, guess this market doesn't like lower prices. Keeping an eye here. May close this early. Okay, that's what we want to see. So I'll put a stop originally where it was, 6.9. Let's walk away. And I'm back. So surprisingly enough, when I left, the market was all the way down here, and I've now come back. The market's retraced all the way up to this level up here, which I find interesting. So buyers were able to take the 42s all the way to 47s. We come back through these highs. Not interested. Seems I'm about to get a short on gold. Certainly be going against the trend. And a possible long on NQ. Seeing buying there on ES. These moves down have been bought up on ES. Likewise on NQ. Retested at 200 there. Even more buying there on NQ. Thing is, the bears were able to drive it down twice. Was bought up, was being bought up again. How long can the bulls keep buying it up? Well, whatever the case, we've got this level we've got to be aware of, 1450. Okay, so got this short here on gold. 7 seconds to go. Short gold. Long NQ. Gold looking for a move down to 45.3. $55.3 is the stop. I'll take it off. Taking off that RTY there for a loss 6750. Let's come into this area. Buyers are there again. After this sell, wanted to see it head lower. Where was the original target? Let's see. 37.1. Hmm. Need to manage this NQ trade. Stops down at 409. $5.11.75. Well, how is that even possible? How's a 10 points difference? Hmm. Just area of buying. This gold trade's going the wrong way. So we had another rejection there. It's going to take the short again. Original target at 37.1. Stop's going to be where I exited last time. Just above there. So we came through this area, closed below it, so I've gone back in short. Of course, our gold trade's not doing us any favors, but we'll see. NQ. So the target's in a good place. So the previous, let's think about this. Should be about there. Oh my, seems the NQ is about to get to target.
Target filled.
Target filled there. What target was that? Oh my gosh, the charts are frozen. Oh, for goodness sake. Flipping charts are frozen. NQ's got to target. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Okay, 39.4. Let's see if I can pick up this 39.4. Then I'll try to re-enter back at 42.4. NQ chart's not working. Oh, there, no, that's the ES chart. Can I get an NQ chart to work? Oh, there we are. So we've got this NQ chart working. There's a target got hit there. Picked up 47. So RTY, trying to get this 39.4 here to offset this loss up here. With NQ and ES both heading to the upside there on that breakout. Not sure if this RTY is going to want to sell off. So we've got this level here, which we've come into. Maybe it's a case of okay, there we go. We just seen that breakdown there. So let's you know what? Let's take that off. Took that off for 5. Somewhat offsetting some of the losses there. There we go. It seems it's going down to that through that 39.4. Could have been more patient. The original target down there at 37.1. What is that? So a lot of volume just came through on that candle. So got a high volume candle here. Also, oh, that chart's just not working. That's great. And here as well. So seeing prices come back there. Of course, the opportunity to re-short it to look for that move, but I'm not sure if I want to do that. So at the moment we've realized 43. What's going on with this gold trade? It's come down into the, you know what, we've come down to VWAP and we're bouncing, so I'll try to get out for break even here. Got 20 contract, oh come on. There are 20 contracts left. So I need price to come down to that 51.1. Goodness me. We're up to 52.2. $51.6. My. So RTY would have got us a re-entry short. Came all the way up there. Trying to pick up that 51.1 to get out. But I was so busy thinking about these shorts, I completely didn't even think about the possibility of it bouncing off the VWAP. So definitely should have thought about taking profits there. Okay, so we're out for break even over there. I think I'll be taking the RTY on the way back up to this level again. As tempting as that may be. We've got this low, this low. There's a few lows. I'm just a bit concerned about what I'm seeing on ES and NQ. Even though both of them are not paired with the RTY. They're both more independent. If we didn't have these pullbacks, it would be certainly would be easier to take the short. $42.5 down to 40. It's 2. Just gonna have to step away from the charts. We're seeing a breakdown here. It's going to take it. I'm going to take it down towards our original target of 37.1. If we get down to 37.1, it's going to be pretty obvious that, goodness me, did we just get it? Yeah, we got a couple of contracts off there. We've got 25 left. That the original trade where I took it off because I thought prices were coming back. Should not have done that, but what's going on here? Still 25 contracts on there. $37.2. Okay, so we're about break even there. Hit the 37.1. So the loss I took here as prices came back. In hindsight now, it looks like it was the incorrect decision because we've had price come all the way down to target. So from here to, what would it have been? It was 6.9. So no one to blame but myself there. So instead of picking up 17 to 50, I've only picked up about, let's break even. So the P&L would have been a lot better than it is. It would be up to about 64. But we'll have to accept that. We'll have to accept that because even though we took this one off, we took off the gold early. And it would have just got up towards that stop there. Had a stop about 55.3. I believe we just got to 55.4. Yeah, we got to 55.4. Would have been stopped out on this move up. Definitely should be paying more attention. So off a similar level to this chart here is not working. Oh, goodness me. Okay, I guess this chart's not going to work, so we'll have to use this one. So off a similar level to yesterday. Had it at 1450. Price have come up to that 1450. Unlike yesterday where I kept on holding through. Oh, it's not on this chart, it's on the other one. Kept holding through looking for a breakout and being stopped out. Today there was the opportunity and took profit before it got to the level. And we're seeing the same thing here where the market has pulled back from that level. So those are good levels to trade off. So we're going to be keeping them on the old charts. I'll work with this chart here. Without the drawings on the chart, I suppose I could just put the drawings on this one. Let's do that. It's 54.5450. What's the previous day's high? Got 44. It's another level there. Just don't like the look of the chart. Oh, I know what it is. I know what it is. Don't have the right theme on there. Seems I'm about to get a long setup on a long signal on ES. But after seeing price come up to this 200 and reject, we've also got NQ around a previous area that we thought would be resistance, and it's pulled back from there. So there are a few elements here that's not giving me confidence on the long setup on ES. YM's just been in a terrible range, not doing anything. Yeah, I'm not sure about this ES trade. I think I might just give it a miss. Rejection of the 2, NQ. That NQ is not working. I think I'm going to have to get rid of it, even though I don't want to. Oh, goodness me, that NQ is crashing my charts. NQ at previous resistance. Somewhat problematic. There's a potential for an aggressive short on gold on the rejection of the previous day's high. Rejected there, rejected there. There's a potential to go for another attempt a short here, but I'm not sure about that. We've got these strong pullbacks, which have shown the bulls have not had it all their own way. But if we look at a daily chart, look at that. Pretty clear breakout. Consecutive bullish days for over a week. For a week, pretty much. Consecutive bullish days on this all-time high breakout. So I've got a minute to decide here. If we do take the long on ES, we would have to get out at probably say 79 with the view of the NQ Oh my goodness me. With NQ getting up to this level. Let's see what happens in his final minute here. If we make a new low on ES. Do we want to buy into the 200? Let's see. We get to 72.25. 72, 72.75. Let's see if they offer a lower here. No, too much selling. I'll stay away. Too much selling, far too much selling into the close there. So even though I've got a long setup here, I'm not going to take it. Let's talk about where it'd be. So it's a long setup from this candle here. And we'll be looking for a move up to 81. So move up to 81. With a stop down at 64.25. That's a fairly big stop. No, that's the previous day's low. 64.25. That's what we'll be looking at. So that's what we'll be looking at, but too many headwinds above, so I'll stay away. And so I'm back again. And we've had, while ES has been pretty much just in this area, we've actually had NQ. Gosh, I'm going to have to delete this. I'm going to have to delete. Hold on. Let's give me a second. We've had NQ go up to test that 1450 again. So that's a difficulty with this possible long here. Is the fact that we've got NQ more volatiles moving towards areas of resistance before ES gets in, even retest the highs. If I were to take it, probably wouldn't be even targeting the design stop at the design profit target at 81. Definitely be looking below that 200, just in the target downwards as the 200 comes down. But I'm in observation mode at the moment. Won't be taking this possible long. If you look through here, seeing a lot of indecision here, a lot of wicks on the upside and on the top and the lower half of the candles. Neither bulls nor bears in complete control. We've had the high volume on this candle here. Well, if there's some news, I don't believe there's any news. The calendar should be pretty light. Let's double check it. No, there isn't any scheduled news until the 25th of October. Friday, we've got durable goods orders. So we had the volatility, high volume spike here all the way into that 200. Couldn't close above the 200, retested, closed below, fairly sizable candle there off that 200. And we've just slowly ground to the downside since. At the same time, we've had the NQ get up in towards that 1450, an area of possible resistance. And it also pulled back from that level. So we'll see. We'll have a look here at RTY. We can see here, very fortunate, some might say, to get at 37.1. Went all the way down to 36.6. So 5 ticks below. And as we can see, we've had a fairly sizable retracement there, all the way up to the 43s. Interesting. Very interesting. The gold at all-time highs. Seeing these big retracements. Rallies, retracements, rallies, retracements. So, you know what, with NQ being at that potential resistance there, who knows, maybe we'll bull flag breakout. Maybe something, well, that would have to happen on ES as well. But I'm not going to hang around and wait for it. I'm going to call it a day there on this account. And I believe I'll be coming back later to do a scalp session. So we'll see. So today, pretty much break even on gold and RTY. Didn't get a trade on ES. If you look at the, you can see where the cursor is on the right hand side of the screen. Picked up about 46,286 on NQ. With the addition of the rest, we've got 47,473. So we'll say that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.